Ano pa?
And then this is my...
Ah.
I open it.
Ah, sige, you open it. How old is that, ano?
This one,
What should I call it?
Pioneer.
How old is that?
This is Deacon Pabling's radio.
Radio. Ah.
For his jeep.
Ah.
And then,
Ah.
these are my students in Don Bosco.
From what school year is that?
What year? Wala.
Meron.
Natabunan. Don Bosco, Makati.
Ah.
Look at me, I'm very cute.
Ah. You're always cute. And then what else do you have
Always
here?
cute. And then,
Ah.
my nephew and my niece.
Ah.
But they are now in Indonesia.
And?
Other one is in Canada.
Ah.
And then, according to that,
Ah.
this coming Christmas,
Ah.
her tita is inviting them. I will go with them.
Sinasama ka ba? Ah. What else? Oh, labas ka naman.
Sa labas naman ito. Nagagana ko. Doon. Ayan.
Ah.
Kunin, matulog ka.
Ah.
Dito.
Ah. What do you call this plant?
Lachuchi.
Kalachuchi. Why do you only have like how many? 3 flowers lang? It's
This one is millionaire.
millionaire.
Because I plant this, I want to become a millionaire.
Will you become a millionaire?
Yeah, I'm millionaire already.
Millionaire by what?
By flowers. Look at this one. Nice, no?
Yes, nice. But Huling's yellow bell are much better than yours.
Because they have the same height.
Oh, hindi. They have so much flowers than yours. Oh.
The other one, no.
Ano? Galit ka?
No.
Oh, saan ka pupunta?
Here.
Oh.
Oh, yes. Plant. Kamote tops.
Kamote tops?
Yeah, kamote tops.
Asan ang kamote tops?
There. And then those are
Saan?
Ambus panty.
Oo, makita yun. Asan ang kamote tops?
There, kamote tops. And then there is eggplant pa.
Oh, where's the eggplant?
Here.
Ano ba to, Mace? Sandali, sumabit ako.
Princess pick the fruit.
Fruit?
Oo, fruit of this eggplant.
Ay, wala na.
No more.
No more eggplant.
Yeah.
Oh, what else is there?
Yes, papaya.
Oh.
And this is pandan, died already.
Rest in peace.
Before, this is my,
Oh.
what do you call the
Doghouse.
doghouse.
Janet Jackson. Oh, ano pa? Pag maliit, di ka sumasabit, no? Ako kanina pa sumasabit. Uy, what happened to the guava tree? Oh. Ano?
Oh, this is Ambos rubber shoes. Abo. This is Ambos rubber shoes.
Oo.
One Nike. The other one is Kid. And Converse.
Converse?
Converse. It's like a banka.
Baka.
Very low.
Because she has big feet. Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Ba't ang chapter?
Hanging plant.
Hangin. Ang daming hangin ng hanging plant.
Oh, look at this.
Which one?
Nice the flowers.
Ano?
This is Midilania. I'm ashamed because there are students there.
So that's why you're behaving.
Yeah, I believe. Oh, that's enough.
Oh, that's enough? You're tired already?
I'm tired already.